Welcome to episode number 12 of the Locking Fundamentals series. Today we're working on the Whicha Way. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. Welcome to the Whicha Way drill, drill number 1. This one is actually the farmer. For those that know the house move, the farmer, this is it. I want you guys to start getting the rhythm down. So we're gonna use the farmer to do that. If you have this, you feel like you wanna skip ahead, go ahead. But if you don't know what the farmer is, feel like you wanna get a good foundation, this is the rhythm, and I'm gonna start with this. Now typically I start on the right side, but this time I'm gonna start on the left side, right? So, 7, 8, and 1, okay? So basically you're just tapping down, and then with the farmer, I'm gonna show you the farmer, but we'll do a little modification later on. But right now, you're gonna tap and then hop, okay? You're gonna go 1 and right on the end, you're landing on the leg that just tapped, which is the left. So you're gonna go left, left. It goes like this, 1 and right on the second tap, you're bringing up the right knee, okay? So, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so you can go single, single, and then double. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Other side, so it's after 4 and 5. Okay, so you go 3 and 4 and 5. So 5 is going to be the left leg. Okay? Let's go with the left leg. 7, 8, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So in our 8 count, we do the first 8 counts slow. It takes the duration of 2 8 counts. Alright? And then we're going to do it fast. So, let me try to do it with you. I'm a little out of breath because I just took 12 takes. Remember, each one of these drills, I do it 3 times. So, whew, it's a great workout. This is one of those ones that you definitely check your cardio. There you go. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that itself is a farmer. Don't worry about the up and down, all right? That's fine for now. I want you to get the rhythm down. So you get the slow and then you get the fast. If you got that down, I'll see you in drill number 2. If you don't have it down, feel free to rewind it. Make sure it's in your muscle memory before you move on. See you. Okay, drill number 2 is going to be a slight variation from drill number 1. Once you have the farmer, we're going to start turning, okay? So right now I'm facing the camera. What I want you to do is turn your body to the left side. So what happens is, look at my toe. If my toe is pointing straight forward, okay, what I want to do, my right foot is pointing to you, and left leg is pointing to the left side, okay? So I want to almost, I'm not looking directly left side, it's more like a 45-degree angle. My body's here, and my feet, my left foot is pointing to the left side. So we're going to do the exact same thing, but our body's going to turn. Watch this. 7, 8, 1, and. Right on the end, right on the 1, watch the 1. 1, I'm going to bring this leg up. Ideally, you want to bring the heel up first, okay? So it's not like this. I don't want to point my toes out and start going like this, okay? I want one toe pointing straight, other toe pointing side. So they're like 90 degrees apart, okay? So 7, 8, and 1. As this toe is pointing this way, it's going up, and right when I pivot, take a look at the bottom leg right here. Then I turn. Now, this foot is pointing you at the camera, and this foot is pointing to the right side. So that's an exchange. The foot's going from here to here, okay? So 7, 8, and 1, and. Right on the end, that's what we turn. And then go down. 2, and, okay? So let's go slow. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. On the 3 and 4, you don't need to lift your leg up. It's just 3 and 4, just double. When we do the double tap, just tap it, okay? So, I'm dripping sweat, guys. So here we go. Let's go a little bit faster. Slow, it's a little bit harder. You guys trust me when you guys do this. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, okay? So again, like the farmer, but now we're rotating. We're rotating, okay? And it's okay to have your body turn right now. Drill 2 is okay. I just want to make sure you're comfortable. Focus on the leg first, okay? This is not yet the Whicha Way. We're working towards it. But we'll get there. Right now, we gotta focus on the leg. Make sure the footing is correct, okay? Now, if you got that, then I'll see you in drill number 3. If you don't, let's focus on this. Make sure you're turning your feet. Turning your feet, okay? If you could not turn the body, that's great. That's even better, because drill number 3, we're gonna focus on that, and that's a little bit harder, okay? All right, guys, keep practicing, and I'll see you in drill number 3. 3. Now this is actually the Whicha Way. Whicha Way. Quick history. The first time I took this or learned this, it was from Campbellock Jr. Okay. When he said it in class, he said, hey, I did this move. I don't know if he was the one that actually created this move, but as far as the locker is concerned, in this class he claimed that he started it because he said, you just don't know which way I'm kicking. Okay, so Whicha Way or which way, either one, most people knows this as how the lockers did it. Now, I've spoken to Skeeter Rabbit of the Electric Boogaloos. So he had informed me that this move, Lindy Hoppers used to do this. Okay, I don't know what the exact name of it is. So if there's any Lindy Hoppers out there that knows the history of this move, drop in the comments, message me, DM me, let me know, get the correct history of it. But I mean, probably even then, the tappers probably did it too. So, but as far as what we know today, what most people call Whicha Way, this is the move. Okay, the idea is to keep your upper body stationary. Okay, now what I'm about to show you is what Sugar Pop, Big Brother Sugar Pop taught on how to train. So grab yourself one of these. Just here, okay? Now, let me go back a little bit. Skeeter Rabbit told me to just keep the elbows tucked in. Okay? So you kind of hunch in right here. Keep this low. You want a nice low center of gravity. The idea is to keep this. So if you just focus on my head and shoulder, it shouldn't move. My arms should not be moving like this. The person that's doing this is doing drill 2. Drill number 3 is here, 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 okay? So the idea is that you want to keep this nice and stationary while the feet is wild and loose kicking, okay? So how do you do that? One of the best way to do it is using this. Physically hold on to something because the chair should not move. If you're holding on to this, it helps to stabilize the upper body. If you have that already, you could just imagine holding this, okay? So this is how to get started. I'm gonna face forward. Hold this down nice and tight. Get the elbow inside as well. So if you go like this and kind of bounce, that doesn't work. Get them nice and tucked in right here. You hold it this way, you hold it this way. I kind of prefer with the palm facing up. Okay. So now, and 1. Why would we go and 1, and 1, and. Watch this pivot right here. Usually, if I don't have this, usually people go like this, and usually people start this way. That's why you see in drill 2, the body's kind of facing this way. You gotta correct yourself, keep your body centered. Even though the lower half is kind of twisted just a little bit. You're gonna go and 1, and. The hip has a pivot here. So you're gonna go here, and then keeping the upstairs meaning head, shoulder, arms, stationary. Get it this way. So what I'm doing is I'm pivoting here. Once I get here, I'm pivoting on the ball of my feet, okay? Notice the angle right here. This left foot is pointing to the left side, and then right when I get here, right when I pivot, here, boom, now it's facing forward, and now this is going to the right leg is going to the right side, okay? So that's the drill, that's the idea. According to Skeeter Rabbit, I definitely concur that this is one of the toughest moves to master. I highly suggest doing to something slower. Now, most of you guys probably seen Guilty and Bosch, Coco Brothers. These guys are the masters of doing this. They do this so fast, and it's not good for training. Okay, it's good for show. It looks great. But what happens, it's almost like if you're a fan of, I don't know, my initial analogy is like, you know, all the kids right now watching Stephen Curry shoot threes, and all they want to do is shoot threes without even learning how to do a layup. Does that make sense? Learn it this way. Do it slow first. Correct it so you don't move your upper body, because what happens is when you try to do it quick, what happens is you see all this going on, and then people think they got it. But the real idea is upstairs is stationary. Because then you don't know which way you're kicking. According to Greg, you don't know which way you're kicking. So if you're stationary, you either kick. If I'm here, you know I'm kicking this side here. But once I get to here, my body's gonna be moving. That's why a lot of people go like this. You want to stay here. Here. Make sense? keep the upstairs. So that's why I broke this drill down to drill number 3. You gotta really take the upstairs stationary and let the bottom half turn, okay? So again, first thing I would do is use the chair. So use the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Now I like to add in the doubles. It helps to do variations, all right? If you want to just keep it single here and keep going, that's fine. But using the double gives you more versatility out of these, okay? So get that in. Once you have that, get the chairs away, lock this down. Okay? Whicha Way. Practice it. Let me know how it goes. Drop it in the comment below. This is one of the favorite moves of mine, but it's tiring, guys. I can't do this for very long. It's very cardio intensive, but it's great for a workout. All right, guys. Hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.